In today's pedicure transformation, you will learn what is causing the nail walls to squeeze this pedicure virgin's big toe so hard it gives her splinter hemorrhages, and watch me make a mess that leads to beautiful toenails. I've got some slow motion, relaxing water, massage, and more for all of you looking to relax, so stay tuned. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications in case you are chosen as the winner in the random comment game.
So I'm going to thin them out a little bit before I trim them. And when your nails start to squeeze you, they'll make these little splinter hemorrhages, and then the little specks will soak into your toenail from the bottom side. Yeah. Making a mess. When are you guys going up north?
Last week of July, my sister and her husband rented a house in Charlevoix.
Oh, nice. We were just talking last night about when we could go up.
Rented up there.
When it's tight in there, you gotta be sure that we're not gonna trim any skin. See how far down that nail goes into the groove. Does that feel okay?
Oh yeah. I know. I couldn't do that.
You Gotta go nice and slow, just coax it out. Like you'll feel resistance on the material, and you just gotta talk to it.
When she's doing my nails, I go, that's not the way Lori does. And I'll keep it, tell her to get the video.
You're like, turn on that channel. And something that I teach my students is the slower you go, the faster you'll be done. Because when you're careful, more of it will come out all at once. And you won't hurt the person, so they won't get tense. Because when somebody gets tense, then it's harder to work on them. So being more careful is helps speed everything up in the long run. That'll feel better. And sometimes your skin will look really red down in there just from the pressure. So now that we have more space, that'll feel better.
The kind of video I like when all that stuff comes out.
Yeah.
Satisfying.
Everyone's gonna love you. I get a lot of comments saying, tell your client thank you for letting you film them. And then we have to switch tools. So when we can't grab that, my little serrated edges.
That's up to her. I would trust her. Yeah.
Because on my online training academy, I made a course to teach people how to use it.
Okay.
So you just go to academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com and there's an electric file training class.
Oh, okay. How much do it cost?
Mine is just over $100, but it's on sale for like $94. But we've been talking about if somebody buys the course, putting a special link where they can even buy it a little bit less expensive. Yeah, you turn 45 and it feels like somebody pulled down the shades. You don't get enough light in your eyeballs anymore.
I know.
much better too.
She's so gentle too.
Yeah.
I usually there and I'm
Are you a poker?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm not poking. I'm just trying to get the stuff out there.
Yeah. It's all about the angle and the pressure. I have another video. It's called
Do my nails go down there deep?
yeah. Well, and it's not really, they wouldn't if they weren't so curved in. Yeah.
Yeah. My grandmother, my mother's mother, had her toenails, they look like arches.
Oh.
See how my fingernails go like?
Yeah.
That's how my toenails go. That's how our toenails go too. So I think part of it is hereditary, but a lot of it is between white feet and for shoes, pressure toes.
Right.
Well, I get shoes for white feet and it's still not wide enough. Not for me anymore. Some of them Birkenstocks and flip-flops.
We're gonna let that soak in. Do you want a red to match your nails?
Yeah. Come with this color. I know you have beautiful,
Yeah, she's gonna be
Oh.
taking some home for her gift.
Oh,
yeah, this was supposed to be my Mother's Day.
oh,
This thing, but
nice.
it's, it's worth.
Those don't look like the same toes.
No.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.